Hello everyone and welcome back to Aesthetic Homes. Welcome back to another video on modern wall clocks design ideas for living room. When it comes to designing a living room, wall clocks can serve both as functional timepieces and as striking decorative elements that elevate the overall aesthetic of the space. For a contemporary minimalist living room, a sleek, simple clock with a clean face and unobtrusive design can make a bold statement without overwhelming the room's decor. Opting for a large, oversized clock with thin, delicate hands and a neutral color palette, such as black, white, or metallic tones, can draw attention to the wall while maintaining a sense of subtle elegance. For those who prefer a touch of industrial chic, clocks with exposed gears or vintage-inspired Roman numerals offer an interesting contrast against modern furniture, adding an element of historical charm. A geometric clock with angular shapes or a more artistic design, such as a clock with a distressed wooden frame or a colorful abstract face, can bring energy and personality into the room. Especially in spaces with a more eclectic or bohemian vibe. On the other hand, for a more traditional or rustic living room, a classic wooden clock with intricate detailing or a vintage-style grandfather clock can evoke warmth and timelessness. These clocks often feature ornate carvings or distressed finishes, making them perfect for adding character to a space with warm, earthy tones or cozy textiles like leather couches and wool rugs. For a more luxurious or sophisticated feel, a statement clock with a gold or chrome frame, or even one designed with mirrored elements, can bring a sense of opulence to the room. Alternatively, for those looking to merge style with function, a multi-purpose clock that also incorporates shelving or a decorative mirror can serve as a space-saving solution while still offering visual impact. Whether it's a minimalist masterpiece or an elaborate vintage piece, the right wall clock can tie together a living room's design, adding both functionality and flair. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more home design tips.